Mastering the present perfect tense, narrating life experiences. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the present perfect tense. Specifically, we're looking at how this tense is used to talk about our life experiences. Are you ready to get started? Let's jump in. The present perfect tense is used when we want to talk about something that started in the past and has relevance to the present moment. It's formed using the auxiliary verb, have, or has, and the past participle of the main verb. A simple structure to remember is subject plus has, have plus past participle. Keep in mind that we use has with singular subjects and have with plural subjects. When we talk about life experiences, we often use the present perfect tense. Why? Because these are things that happened at an unspecified time before now. The exact time isn't important. What matters is the experience or the result. Now let's dive into some examples. Pay close attention to the verb tenses we're using. 1. I have traveled to 5 different countries. Notice that we're not specifying when these travels happened, just that they have occurred in your lifetime. 2. She has met many interesting people in her job. Again, we're focusing on the experience, not when it happened. 3. We have seen this movie before. Even though we're talking about a past event, it's relevant because it impacts our current situation. Perhaps we're deciding what movie to watch now. 4. They have studied English for many years. The action began in the past, and it's still ongoing or its effects are still relevant now. Remember, the present perfect tense isn't about when an event happened. It's about the event's existence or impact. And that wraps up our lesson on using the present perfect tense for life experiences. Keep practicing, make some sentences of your own, and you'll master this in no time. We hope this video has helped clarify this essential part of English grammar. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.